So here at Fenstermaker, we have several drone pilots who are licensed to fly commercially. So a lot of times after a storm, we'll take one of these. This is the DJI Avata. It's very small and nimble. And so we can get into very tight areas with these things to look for destruction. Because these can sustain winds roughly 20 miles an hour and sometimes even greater, we can pretty much take these up into the air right after a storm. It allows parishes and municipalities to then send out emergency response teams to those areas that are heavily damaged versus waiting days and even weeks before they can get to those areas.
Another use that we have usually for some kind of critical infrastructure would be for power lines. We'll bring out some of our drones that are capable of staying out of harm's reach, right? So we'll have zoom cameras on there, we have thermal imaging. Clients usually call after a storm or any kind of natural disaster to get us to go out and inspect any kind of critical infrastructure they may have. Lift stations or water wells, any kind of power plant, substations. Our oil and gas clients usually call us to do some kind of rig inspection, even pipeline location. A day after a storm, our crews are usually making sure they're getting the right routes to the job site, making sure they got supplies, gas, water, any kind of food, because wherever they're going might not have anything.
We were able to take that data, turn it around within a day, and the folks from the parish and even the federal government up in Washington, D.C. was able to look at that data and assess damage. So after FEMA reached out to us and told us how much it helped them support these communities in such a dire need, here at Fenstermaker, it really touched us that we were able to help our communities in such a way.